Looking for the top 5 best mobility scooters for seniors in 2025? Rocket, whether you're searching for a reliable ride for daily errands, the best folding mobility scooter for easy travel, or a powerful electric mobility scooter built for comfort and independence, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll review the top-rated mobility scooters that combine safety, durability, and performance to give seniors the freedom they deserve. From compact designs to heavy-duty models, we'll break down the features, pros, and cons so you can make the best choice. YW checkmark all product links are in the description, so don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe for more trusted reviews. 1. Aotedor 4-wheel mobility scooter, electric mobility scooter for adults, driving 22 miles, airlines approved. Foldable scooter W/249WH * 2 batteries, charger under seat storage, dustproof cover, blue. If you're looking for a reliable option among the top 5 best mobility scooters for seniors in 2025, the Aotedor 4-wheel mobility scooter stands out with its balance of performance, portability, and comfort. This model offers an impressive 22-mile driving range, making it perfect for daily errands, neighborhood rides, or even longer outings without worrying about frequent recharging. It comes with two 249WH batteries that are airline approved, so seniors who love to travel can take this scooter with them on flights hassle-free. The foldable design ensures easy storage and transport, while under-seat storage and a dust-proof cover provide added convenience and durability. Built with stability in mind, its 4-wheel construction delivers a smooth ride, even on uneven surfaces. The scooter is also designed with seniors' needs in focus: comfort, reliability, and independence. With a speed range that feels safe yet practical, it's an excellent mobility solution for maintaining an active lifestyle. Whether you're using it at home, outdoors, or while traveling, this scooter combines function with style, especially with its sleek blue finish. Overall, the Aotedor 4-wheel mobility scooter is a dependable and versatile choice that deserves its place among the best mobility scooters for seniors available on Amazon in 2025. 2. Scoot & Go 4-wheel mobility scooter for adults and seniors, electric-powered, lightweight, foldable, 5 miles per hour speed, 15 miles range, 2 removable batteries, airline approved, black-yellow, standard. The Scoot & Go 4-wheel mobility scooter has quickly become one of the most recommended options in the top 5 best mobility scooters for seniors in 2025, thanks to its lightweight design and practical performance features. This scooter reaches a comfortable speed of 5 miles per hour, providing enough pace for seniors to travel efficiently without feeling rushed or unsafe. With a 15-mile driving range, it's ideal for everyday activities such as grocery shopping, medical appointments, or leisurely rides around the neighborhood. What makes this model truly versatile are its 2 removable batteries, which are both airline approved, making it a smart choice for seniors who enjoy traveling. Its foldable frame ensures that storage in car trunks or tight spaces is effortless, and its compact design doesn't sacrifice durability. The 4-wheel construction guarantees stability across different terrains, providing peace of mind for seniors who want confidence while riding. The black and yellow design also gives it a sleek yet vibrant look, standing out from more traditional models. This scooter is built with seniors' independence in mind, offering ease of use, portability, and reliable performance. If you're searching for one of the best folding mobility scooters on Amazon in 2025, the Scoot & Go delivers a well-rounded solution that blends safety, convenience, and comfort. 3. Aotedor mobility scooters for adults, ultra-lightweight 36 pounds folding electric-powered scooter for senior, 22 miles long travel range, W/2 lithium batteries, all-terrain motorized scooter, airline approved. When it comes to portability, the Aotedor ultra-lightweight mobility scooter secures its spot in the top 5 best mobility scooters for seniors in 2025. Weighing only 36 pounds, it's one of the lightest scooters in its category, making it especially easy to fold, lift, and transport. Despite its compact size, it delivers powerful performance with an impressive 22-mile travel range supported by 2 lithium batteries. Both batteries are airline approved, ensuring stress-free travel for seniors who want mobility freedom even while flying. Another standout feature is its all-terrain capability. This scooter isn't limited to smooth sidewalks, but can also handle rougher surfaces, making it versatile for various outdoor adventures. Seniors who value independence will appreciate how easy it is to maneuver and how quickly it folds down for car storage. The scooter also prioritizes comfort, offering a sturdy seat and ergonomic controls. Its lightweight build is perfect for those who don't want a bulky model but still need durability and power. Whether you're heading to the store, visiting friends, or enjoying outdoor activities, this scooter combines convenience with reliability. For seniors who want a blend of portability, range, and performance, the Aotedor Ultra Lightweight Scooter is one of the smartest choices on Amazon in 2025. 4. FreeWink Auto Folding Mobility Scooter for Adults and Seniors. 40 pounds lightweight portable four-wheel scooter. Transformer remote control, folding scooter, 15 battery, 14-mile range, 275 pounds capacity read. For seniors seeking advanced convenience, the FreeWink Auto Folding Mobility Scooter is a game-changer in the Fire Top 5 Best Mobility Scooters for seniors in 2025. Unlike standard folding scooters, this model features a remote control auto-folding system, making it effortless to pack away without any heavy lifting or complicated steps. Weighing only 40 pounds, it's light enough for travel, yet strong enough to support up to 275 pounds. Its 15 battery provides a solid 14-mile range, ideal for everyday mobility needs such as shopping, doctor visits, or casual rides around town. The four-wheel build ensures a stable ride, while the lightweight yet durable construction enhances portability. The vibrant red finish adds a stylish touch, standing out from traditional scooter designs. What makes this scooter especially appealing for seniors is its emphasis on independence. It's easy to operate, fold, and transport, all while providing a safe and comfortable ride. Its compact design doesn't compromise on performance, and the auto-fold feature makes it one of the most travel-friendly scooters you can buy in 2025. For seniors who want modern innovation paired with everyday practicality, the FreeWink Auto Folding Mobility Scooter delivers exactly that. 5. LODSTUN 4-wheel foldable mobility scooters for seniors, detachable battery, upgraded large seat, electric scooter for adults, 15-mile range, front and rear baskets, USB port, dual mirrors, LED headlight. Closing out our list of the Fire Top 5 Best Mobility Scooters for seniors in 2025, the LODSTUN 4-wheel foldable mobility scooter offers comfort, convenience, and smart design features. This scooter provides a 15-mile range, perfect for daily use, while its detachable battery makes charging more flexible. Seniors will love the upgraded large seat, designed for extra comfort during longer rides, and the dual mirrors, which add a layer of safety when navigating busy areas. Practical extras like the front and rear baskets, USB port, and LED headlight make it one of the most functional scooters on Amazon in 2025. The foldable design ensures easy storage, and its four-wheel bays provide a stable ride across different surfaces. LODSTUN also pays attention to detail by integrating modern conveniences like a USB charging port for devices, ensuring seniors stay connected while on the go. Its sturdy design and thoughtful upgrades make it an excellent choice for seniors looking for both comfort and utility in their mobility scooter. If you're searching for one of the most versatile and senior-friendly scooters, the LODSTUN delivers everything you need in style, safety, and performance.